In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a statement in Wise. If you need a record of your account activity for budgeting, expense tracking, or sharing with your accountant, Wise makes it fairly simple to export a statement from either the website or the mobile app. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the full process in a clear and practical way so you know exactly what to look for. Start by opening Wise, either on the web or in the app, and then go to the currency balance you want the statement for. This part is important because Wise lets you hold multiple currencies, and statements are usually generated for a specific balance. So before you continue, make sure you've selected the correct currency account. Once you're inside that balance, look for the More option, which may appear as three dots, or you may see a Statements button directly depending on the device you're using and the version of the interface. Tap or click that option to move forward. If the layout looks slightly different from what you expected, don't worry. The wording or placement can vary a little, but you're looking for the area where account documents or exports are available. After that, choose the date range you want for your statement. Take a moment here to pick the period carefully so the file includes exactly the transactions you need. You'll also be asked to select a file format. Typically, you can choose PDF if you want a clean, easy-to-read document, or CSV if you plan to sort, filter, or analyze the data in a spreadsheet. Next, Wise may ask you to confirm your identity before allowing the download. If prompted, enter your password or complete the security verification step. This is a normal part of the process and helps protect your financial information. Just follow the on-screen instructions until verification is complete. Once everything is set, click or tap download. Your statement should begin downloading right away, and depending on your device, it may either save automatically or ask you where you want to store the file. If you're using a phone, also check your downloads folder or Files app if you don't see it immediately. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Wise statement. If you found this helpful, you can repeat the same process anytime you need a statement for a different currency balance, another date range, or a different file format.